Imagine a world where light isn't just something that helps us see, but a key to understanding the universe. In front of us, we have three simple flashlights: red, green, and blue. As we turn them on, one by one, we notice something magical happens. The beam combines, creating a brilliant white light. But there's more to this than meets the eye. Placing a sheet of paper with a slit in front of these flashlights reveals the hidden spectrum within the white light. Colors separate, each traveling through the slit, creating a mesmerizing display on the other side. Let's see what happens when we introduce a pencil into the mix. By blocking one of the flashlights, we can see the corresponding color disappears from the spectrum. This simple experiment shows us the complex nature of light and color, but it also opens the door to understanding the broader concept of light itself. Light is composed of different wavelengths, each corresponding to a specific color. From the longer wavelength of red to the shorter wavelength of violet. The visible spectrum is just a tiny part of the electromagnetic spectrum. This vast range extends beyond what our eyes can see, including radio waves that brings music to our radios, or microwaves that heat our food, and X-rays that allow doctors to look inside our bodies. As we delve deeper into the spectrum, we realize that each type of light has unique properties and uses, playing a vital role in both our everyday lives and advanced scientific research. Our journey into the understanding of light began centuries ago with Isaac Newton, who first showed that white light could be split into a spectrum of colors using a prism. This discovery laid the groundwork for future scientists like James Clerk Maxwell and Albert Einstein, who expanded our knowledge to include the entire electromagnetic spectrum and the dual nature of light. With all this talk of light, one might wonder, why is the sky black? Or, specifically, why is space dark? With its countless stars and galaxies, it still appears so dark. The answer lies in the nature of light and the emptiness of space. Space is mostly a vacuum with few particles to scatter light. This means that the light from the stars and galaxies travels vast distances without interacting with anything, leaving space looking dark to our eyes. This darkness, however, is what makes the stars and galaxies stand out so brilliantly against the backdrop, highlighting the beauty and vastness of the universe. Light is just one of many wonders of our universe, offering us a glimpse into the fundamental working of nature. Imagine what other phenomena around us are packed with science waiting to be discovered. Have you ever wondered what other secrets the universe holds just beyond the light? The answer might be closer than you think, waiting to illuminate our understanding of the cosmos.